A quick setting that is useful to know when using routing is the ability to change the transparency of your routes. SolidWorks has default settings that can cause difficulty viewing certain portions of your route as it travels around and in front of other parts and pipes. This is definitely something to know to use on certain situations. So during routing, the model will go into Maintain Assembly Transparent, which can affect what you can see and make it difficult to accurately position routing components on occasion. Let's take a look at that. So let's go into Edit this section over here by going right-click, Edit Route. You'll notice that all of our other parts become completely transparent, which can be difficult to deal with on occasion depending on what you're trying to do with your route. So let's exit out of this and look at how we can change this. I'm going to click that to exit out, and now I'm going to go up to my options, this little gear on the top. I'm going to go over to Display on the left, and now you'll see this section that says Assembly Transparency for In-Context Edit. I'm going to change this to Opaque Assembly. Now, by changing it to Opaque Assembly, assembly features appear as they normally do when you're exiting the routing function. This can make positioning routing components in front of other ones more effective and easier, again, depending on what you're trying to do with your routing process. So let's take a look at what that looks like now that we've changed that setting. I'm going to go into the same exact route, Edit Route, and now it looks like almost nothing changed. You have solid tanks to look at that you can probably more easily place your flanges on and other items. Definitely feel free to switch back and forth between this depending on where you're trying to place things. It can make it easier for you as you go through the process. It's a quick fix tool and will come in handy on more complex routes. So let's exit out here. And you're all done. So now, as we go through and edit some of our other pieces, feel free to make this change if it's easier for you.